Hey everybody, my name is Scott with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory and they call me the Spa Man. Guess what today is? It's a Monday, and in the shop I have another hot tub that has an airlock. Let's go check it out. I was just made aware of it. So this is the hot tub I was just talking about. This is a strong spa. Has approximately 50 jets, and we just completely refurbished this hot tub. Resealed up all the jets, but it's got an airlock. It says PR. Let's turn on the pumps. It's been sitting for probably 15 minutes. No bubbles. No bubbles at all. It's on first speed. You can hear the pump running. Okay, here's second speed. It's pumping. The gate valve is open. The other gate valve is open. All the jets are open. But no matter what I do, I can't get it to prime. This is all you need. This is a plunger from Home Depot. Buy the orange one, buy the smallest one here, because it will go down right inside the hole. That's all you do is push it down in there and watch the bubbles come from the tub as I push it down. See, you got bubbles right there. See those bubbles? It'll take a little time. Sometimes it'll do it really quick. Sometimes you'll be here for 15 minutes pushing it. Well, I got bubbles right there. You can see the water coming out right there. Let's go ahead and put this camera so you guys can watch it. Anytime you see bubbles, it'll come. It's just going to take some time. See if anything comes. This always works. So the reason why we having this problem, there you can see the, look at that. There you go. Right now it's on first speed, it's still priming. Let's hit the jets again. There you go. In real time, in under 3 minutes.